morning, children. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Some of the question answer was left, children. Isn't it? कुछ question answer discussion बचा हुआ था आप लोग का. Chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm chapter 13. I'm chapter 13.
Chapter 11.
Come to that chapter. First, we had completed what is adaptation. ये हम लोग complete कर लिए थे कल.
Yes, ma'am.
Given one example each of behavioral and structural adaptation. This we had completed yesterday, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we will do question number E3. Mention any 4 adaptations that have helped the polar bear to survive in polar region. Page number 203. You have to mention some adaptations over here. What are the adaptations the polar bear is having? First of all,
White fur.
polar bear have white fur. Polar bear have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. Then the body temperature of polar bear, which is normally 37 degrees, is maintained through a thick layer of fur or a tough hide and an insulating layer of blubber. Polar bear can close its nostril while swimming underwater. A polar bear front paws propel it through water for swimming. These are the 4 points you can mention.
Ma'am, third point, repeat again.
Yes. What do you want?
Ma'am, third point, repeat again.
Okay. First, polar bear have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. Then, the body temperature of polar bears, which is normally 37 degrees centigrade, is maintained through a thick layer of fur, a tough hide, and an insulating layer of blubber. Then next one. Polar bear can close its nostril while swimming underwater. A polar bear's front paws propel it through water for swimming. These are the 4 points you have to mention. Then, what is the next question? All of you have marked this? Yes,
Ma'am, please repeat 5th point.
Yes, ma'am.
Why we will write fifth point? Only 4 points you have to mention. 4th point is the polar bear's front paws propel it through water for swimming. A polar bear's front paws propel it through water for swimming. Is it clear, this question? Any problem, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
All of you have marked all the 4 points. चारों points सब लोगों ने mark कर लिया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Next
Yes, ma'am.
question is, give reason. Big cat have sharp teeth. What can they do with this sharp teeth?
I'm hunting.
Big cats have sharp teeth to tear the flesh, as they are carnivores. Big teeth have sharp teeth to tear the flesh. Some monkeys have long prehensile tail. What is the utility of prehensile tail? Prehensile tail का क्या काम है? The prehensile tail helps the monkey for grasping branches. Help the monkeys for grasping branches. Penguins do not have air spaces in their bones.
Ma'am, can you repeat 4B?
4B. Some monkeys have long prehensile tail for grasping branches.
For grass.
Grasping branches. Or you can also write to hold the branches firmly. You can also write this, to hold the branches firmly. Then penguins do not have air spaces in their bones because, or this helps them to sink in water. This helps them to sink in water. Written, children?
Can you repeat again 4A?
Yes. 4A.
Can
Yes.
क्या हुआ मैम 4-1
4A, I am telling that. Big cats have sharp teeth to tear the flesh. Tear the flesh. Some monkeys have long prehensile tail.
मैम you are mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Some monkeys have long prehensile tail to grasp the branches firmly or to hold the branches firmly. Then after that, the question is, penguins do not have air spaces in the bones, which helps them to sink in water. Which helps them to sink in water. Then next question. You all have marked, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next question. The tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. Come to page number 204. Tropical rainforests are generally found near the equator. The tropical rainforests are home to more species of plants and animals than all other biomass combined together. Then come to the third paragraph. Rainforests are home to 2/3 of all living animal and plant species on the earth. It has been estimated that many hundreds of millions of new species, plant, insects, and microorganisms. No, you just write this one. Rainforests are home to 2/3 of all living animal, plant species on the earth. Because temperature in such region is average value of 20 to 25 degree and varies little throughout.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, what?
repeat again?
Throughout के बाद आप लिखिए the average temperature of 3 warmest and 3 coldest months do not differ by more than 5 degrees centigrade. This environment, अब इसके बाद आप लोग नोट करिए. This environmental condition is suited for many species or large population also you can write. Large
I mean, which
population of
para?
mammals. Pardon?
Ma'am, in which para you
No, I am telling you to conclude yourself. हम जो book dictate कर रहे हैं आप उसको लिख लीजिए. Temperature in such region has an average value of 20 to 25 and varies throughout the year. The average temperature of 3 warmest and 3 coldest.
Ma'am, it is written in book.
हाँ, ये यहाँ तक लिखने के बाद 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड लिखने के बाद आप लिखो this temperature is suited for large population of animals. So the tropical rainforest has a number of species and large population of animals. So a number of species of animals are found here. You can conclude in any way. जो भी language आप लिखो last में लिख दो. So that is why this tropical rainforest has large population of animals. Once again, एक बार और देखो इस आंसर को क्योंकि ये ब्रेक करके है. Tropical rainforests are generally found near the equator. The tropical rainforests are home to more species of plants and animals than all other biomass combined together. ये आप यहाँ से लीजिएगा. फिर rainforests are home to 2/3 of all living animals and plant species on the earth. Then temperature in such region has an average value of 20 to 25 degree and varies little throughout the year. The average temperature of 3 warmest and the 3 coldest months do not differ by more than 5 degrees centigrade. So this environmental condition is suited for large population of animals. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How is the trunk useful to the elephant? How is the trunk useful to the animals? Come to page number 206. The last paragraph. The versatile trunk acts like a hand for grasping low-growing shrubs and other food materials and placing them into the mouth. This trunk also acts like an arm for breaking off tree branches as a snorkel, tube projecting above water for breathing when the elephant body is submerged. Elephants also use their trunk to suck and drink water or to squeeze it over their bodies for bathing. You can write till here. Once again, the versatile trunk acts like a hand for grasping low-growing shrubs and other food materials and placing them into the mouth. This trunk also acts like an arm for breaking off tree branches and as a snorkel tube projecting above water for breathing when the elephant body is submerged. Elephants also use their trunks to suck and drink water or to squeeze it over their bodies. Note it down, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have come to the end of this chapter. ये chapter end कर गया. किसी को किसी question answer में दिक्कत है?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Then all of you please get ready for the dictation. एक कॉपी निकाल लीजिए सब लोग.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Please repeat E2.
Late और what? Late join कर रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? Why are you joining late? Come on. Get ready. सब लोग तैयार हैं dictation के लिए?
Ma'am, wait 2 minutes.
Write down. Atmosphere.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in a question.
Pardon?
I have a doubt in a question.
Question. Which question?
Ma'am, E2.
What doubt you have?
Ma'am, E2 question.
What doubt you have? You have not marked.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you mark it from here. Come to page number 202. What is adaptation? You will write from here. Adaptation is a trait that makes an animal suited to this environment. It can be behavioral or structural trait. Then again come to the example. Moving in large group is a behavioral adaptation. It helps protect the members of group from predators. Example, elephant. And the thick fur coat of polar bear is a structural adaptation. It helps to protect it against the cold weather. Example, penguin, polar bear. Clear now?
Okay.
Okay, come to the dictation. First word is atmosphere. Not making noise. आवाज मत करिए. Fahad Ahmed, mute your mic. Second, precipitation. Precipitation. Meteorology. Meteorology. Drizzle. Drizzle. Approaching. approaching, accumulate, accumulate, altitudes, altitude, then accompanied, accompanied, adaptation, frigid zone, frigid zone, frigid zone, blubber, blubber, radars, radars, protection, streamline. 20 words you all have written, sorry, 15 words.
Ma'am, repeat
15.
again.
Ma'am, 14.
Streamlined is 15th one. एक बार और देख लो, atmosphere, precipitation, meteorology, drizzle, approaching, accumulate, altitudes, accompanied, adaptation, frigid zone, insulating, blubber, radars, streamline. Oh, no, protection. After that is after radars it is
Excuse me, ma'am.
protection. After radars it is protection. Then comes streamline. This is the
Excuse
15th
me, ma'am.
one. हाँ, बोलिए.
Can you repeat once again, because when you are dictating, my audio is off.
Okay,
That's
चलो एक बार और देख लो. जल्दी जल्दी लिखो लेकिन. Atmosphere, precipitation, meteorology, drizzle, approaching, accumulate, altitudes, accompanied, adaptation, frigid, frigid zone, insulating, blubber. Don't talk, children, among in between. Insulating, blubber, radars, protection, streamlined. Prehensile, prehensile, communicate, communicate, pouches, pouches, versatile, versatile, nostrils, nostrils. Completed, children?
Yes, ma'am. What is after pouches?
After pouches.
Ma'am, what
After
type?
pouches, it is versatile. Versatile. And then it is nostrils.
मैम 16 नंबर मैम क्या है?
Hmm?
मैम 16 नंबर
16th is prehensile.
And ma'am, what is it in 15 and what is in 13?
15 is streamlined. 15th streamlined. And 13th is rudders. 15th is streamlined and 13th is rudders. Now children, let us quickly come. You will take the help of this book, your textbook, and you will do the correction work of this lesson. But in the meantime, let us come to chapter soil. Soil chapter आपका portion है ना? All of you know tomorrow's portion.
Yes.
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 10, that is soil. So let us quickly revise this chapter. Define soil. Yeah, what is soil? What is soil?
Soil can be defined as the
Ma'am, can
naturally
I?
according loose covering of broken rock particles and decaying organic matters, humus on the surface of the earth. It is capable
Yes.
of supporting life.
Yeah. Then what
Soil
are,
is a broken rock particle and decaying organic matter is called soil.
yes, ठीक है. Next question. What is withering?
The
Ma'am,
process of breaking of
The
rocks
soil
into
formation
smaller
is combined
particles
of
with the help
physical,
of
chemical,
various
and
agents of
biological processes on its parent material. The rocks.
Particular.
The process is called weathering.
What are the different types of withering?
Physical
Ma'am,
weathering.
physical weathering and chemical weathering.
Ma'am, physical weathering and chemical
Chemical
weathering.
weathering.
Chemical withering.
Physical and chemical
What
weathering.
are the agents of physical withering?
Ma'am,
Temperature,
Temperature,
wind, and
wind,
plants and
water,
animals.
Living organism.
temperature, wind, water, living organism.
Don't say living organism. You say the as it is written in the book. Yes.
Ma'am, plants and animals.
What is soil profile?
The arrangement of soil by its layer is called soil profile.
The arrangement of the whole soil is
The layer of the layer of soil called soil profile.
No, not the layer is not called soil profile. Layer is called soil horizon. And the arrangement of these horizon is known as soil profile.
the arrangement of this
There is a
horizon in a
difference.
soil.
Just remember
soil.
that. The layers of the soil are known as soil horizons, but the arrangement of these horizons are known as soil profile. ठीक है?
Ma'am, the arrangement of soil on this horizon is known as soil profile.
Yes. What is alluviation?
Sometimes leaching of minerals and clay content take place in lower part.
You are just reading the book. Book नहीं read करना है. I'm asking you questions, so you just answer properly. Sometimes is written in the book. Leaching of minerals and clay content in the lower part of the A horizon is this process is known as alluviation. You will tell like this in your own word. In which horizon does the topsoil is the topsoil found?
Ma'am, in
A
A
horizon.
horizon. Ma'am, A
Ma'am,
horizon.
A horizon. Ma'am, topsoil is present.
Yes, ठीक है. According to soil texture, that is on the basis of soil texture, how many categories is the soil classified?
Three
Three.
types.
Three types.
And sandy soil,
Ma'am,
clay
three
soil,
types.
and loamy
Sandy
soil.
soil, clay soil, loamy soil.
Soil.
Ma'am, three types of soil. Ma'am, sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil.
Correct. Which soil is good for growing crops?
Ma'am, loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Ma'am, growing for crop is ma'am loamy soil.
Why it is good for growing?
Ma'am, it can remain.
Because it creates a lot of
Ma'am,
water.
because it cannot retain air.
Ma'am, mixture of sand, soil, and ma'am air.
Mixture of sand, silt, and clay are there in this loamy soil, and it also can hold water and air. That is why it is good for growing crops. What is plasticity?
The property that enables small soil to change on its shape is called plasticity.
Together is known as plasticity.
On application of force and retain this shape, complete that.
Ma'am, plasticity,
Even
ma'am,
when the force withdrawn.
is a property of soil most in a shape or application.
Yes, complete it. Application of force and retain that shape when the force is withdrawn. What is infiltration?
Absorption of water by soil depends on its filtration and percolation rate.
What is infiltration? I'm just asking a simple question.
Infiltration is the rate at which water enters a soil.
And what is percolation?
The rate at which water
Percolation is the
moves
rate
Ma'am,
water moves
percolation
through
is
soil.
a rate which water move through the soil is called percolation.
Okay. What are the components or found in the composition of the soil?
Inorganic substance, organic matter, soil, water, soil, air, and living
Some
organisms.
organic matter, humus, inorganic matter, ma'am,
living
soil,
organism.
soil, water, soil, air.
Yes.
And living organism.
Yes. Which organism is known as nature's plowman?
Earthworm.
Earthworm.
Ma'am, earthworm, ma'am, earthworm, ma'am,
Earthworm.
oh, ma'am, earthworm, ma'am, redworm, ma'am, are known as nature plugman.
Okay. What is soil pollution?
Soil pollution is defined as the build of persistent toxic compounds, chemicals,
Soil
salts,
pollution is
radioactive
a
materials, or diseases
toxic
causing
compound,
agents in
chemical,
soil.
soil regulation, and disease agent in a soil.
It is caused by factors like use of chemical pesticides, excessive use of fertilizers.
Soil grows
Ma'am, soil pollution
growing
is caused by the factory use like a chemical pesticide, excessive and use fertilizer percolation of combination surface water.
Okay, now yes, it is correct. Which soil is good for growing paddy?
Ma'am, sandy soil.
Clay soil.
Sandy
Clay
soil.
soil.
I'm clay soil. I'm clay soil.
What?
I'm clay.
Which soil?
Clay soil.
Clay soil.
Yes,
clay
clay soil. Clay soil is good for growing paddy. And which soil grows well in which soil is suited for growing cotton?
Ma'am, black
Ma'am,
soil.
Ma'am, black soil.
It is black soil.
black soil.
Ma'am, black soil is a growth of cotton.
Okay. But here you will not say black soil. We are not talking about black soil. आप तो बोलोगे sandy soil. Sandy soil will be appropriate answer. What is soil erosion?
Removal of the top layer
removal
of
of a
topsoil.
topsoil by agents such as wind and water is known as soil by
Agents such as wind and water.
Okay. So children, get ready for tomorrow's work.